4 kids, 2 kids. Our number one priority is giving a therapeutic, comfortable home for children who are victims of sex trafficking and human trafficking. A lot of these girls have emphasized how they've never had comfort before in their lives. And with having the air conditioning, we're going to be giving them the comfort to get to the core of what they need to deal with in their past trauma.
Indoor air quality right now is 61 times dirtier than outdoor air. And so the ability to be able to jump in here and really give them a fresh start has been really powerful and touching to our hearts.
There are people in our area that cannot afford these basic services that we provide, and we have no idea who these girls are going to become. And so our small act today can create a lifetime of change.